If you're looking for a sharp but subtle truck, then this 2018 Kenworth T880 6-axle with the sparkle gray paint just might be the one for you. The performance version of the Cummins X15 puts 485 horsepower to the Eaton 8LL Ultrashift Plus transmission. Underneath the truck, we've got 410 gears and a chamlers suspension, giving you a smooth ride, loaded or empty. A heritage steel bed with a single cold door on the back make this your versatile dump truck. It's on the ground and ready to go, so call us today for more information about this great truck.